guys, welcome back to another reaction video. Today we're checking out a song by Hardy called Wait in the Truck. Without further ado, let's get to this.
Got turned around in some little town I'd never been to before. Working my way through the middle of June, midnight thunderstorm. There was something in the headlights that stopped me on a dime. Well, she was scared to death, so I said climb in, and then she climbed. She was bruised and broke from head to toe, with a tear in her blood-stained shirt. She didn't tell the whole truth, but she didn't have to. I knew what had happened to her. I didn't load her down with questions. That girl had been through enough. I just threw it in drive, looked in those eyes, and asked her where he was.
I don't know don't do what he did. He was hell-bent to find a man behind all the whiskey scars I hid. I never thought my day of justice would come from a judge under a seat, but I knew right then I'd never get hit again when he said to me,
wait in the truck, just wait in the truck. Well, I knocked and no one came, so I kicked in his double-wide door. I let the hammer drop before he got to that 12 he was reaching for. I didn't try to hide my pistol, I didn't even try to run. I just sat on the porch smoking one of his cigarettes and waited for the cops to come.
I don't know don't do what he did. He was hell-bent to find a man behind all the whiskey scars I hid. I never thought my day of justice would come from a judge under a seat, but I knew right then I'd never get hit again when he said to me,
wait in the truck, just wait in the truck. Whoa. She still comes to see me from time to time. It was worth the price to see a brighter side of the girl I picked up that night. And I might be here forever. It ain't paradise, that's true, but it's a whole hell of a lot better than the place I sent him to.
Thank you.
Just wait in the truck. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy. Wait in the truck. Just wait in the truck. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy on me, Lord. Have mercy on me. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy on me, Lord. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy. Wait in the truck. Just wait in the truck. Just wait in the truck.
Wow. I don't know if he was an angel, because no man would have done what he did that night. To stand up to the man who hurt her. And what kind of a man is he? Nobody can be that helpless. Just pick up someone you barely know, a stranger, a total stranger. You saw how hurt she was and just decided to be her savior. The amount of people getting abused in relationships every single day. It's crazy. Oftentimes people just hope the other person will change, or hope someone will come and save them. But nothing like that really happens. Maybe in the movies, but it barely happens. You just gotta get yourself up and get out of there. Because the person that hits you the first time will hit you again. Don't wait until it becomes too late. This song is so moving. It is so moving. I can't even imagine how moving it must be for people in her position. People with abusive partners. It really was a godsend. It was an angel. Oh, this was powerful, guys. This was powerful and nearly moved me to tears. Thank you for suggesting this. This is the kind of, country music that I like to listen to. Songs with meaning. It was wonderful. Thank you for suggesting this. Thank you for watching the video again. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, do not hesitate to give me a big fat thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscribe button as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe, kind, and bye.